Hi, my name is Khairunnisa Hazmi and I am the one of the Polytechnic Kuching Sarawak students. I study Diploma in Civil Engineering and I am from DKA 3B that enrolled this engineering survey course in the early year of 2021. In learning this course, it takes 5 hours a week, with 2 hours theory and 3 hours virtual practical. In this video, I would like to give my feedback after completing 14 weeks online teaching and learning conducted by one of the great lecturers that I have ever met, and he is Sir Tiong Hwa Sang. During the practical season, Sir Tiong really did his best to carry out the survey virtual lab. One of it that I really like is staff reading and leveling. It is because it is easy for me and my classmates to understand it, and also it is easy for us to study and practice reading the stuff by ourselves. Next, I also like the total station simulation. It's because it feels like we are using the real total station in real life. Not enough with that, I also interested when Sir Tiong gave us survey apps that developed by himself, which are XY2BDs, MTC, and Shooting SY. I think this app is not that hard to use because we only key in the data that we got, then we get the answer. Last but not least, the way that I love the most is when Sir Tiong using YouTube video. It's because I can repeat the video to really understand a certain part of the study, especially in calculation. Furthermore, Sir Tiong also comes with the idea to do the breakout session, which is the great idea I think. It's because I can do the group discussion smoothly with my groupmate and also with my other classmates whenever we are having tasks that were given. The involvement of my classmates was great. Everyone cooperated during this season, and with this season we also can easily solve the task and manage to help each other, understanding the correct calculation solution. In this season also, Sir Tiong still assists us. He always stands by whenever his student need help, but only click for help button that provided in Webex app. Not only we can understand the syllabus content, we also can develop soft skills, for example, leadership that we can obtain when we teach each other and help others in learning. Next, we also can increase teamwork skill by being cooperate in discussion. Also, we can obtain communication skill when doing the asking and giving when solving solution. For my personal opinion, the assessment that were given is normal for students. As the student, we just need to be responsible to do all the assessment on the time. Then, the report task was easy to do because Sir Tiong explained one by one on how to do the report clearly, and he also gave example of the report which one become a great reference to do a good report. The virtual practical environment really helpful to understand the real situation for me. But I think it would be easier if we can learn this course face-to-face with our lecturer. After completing this course, I managed to understand the fieldwork for leveling and learn all the methods of calculation that need, which are 2 backtests, arithmetic check, and there are 2 booking computation, which are series leveling and intermediate site leveling. I also able to conduct traverse survey and determine the tools that need for the fieldwork, and also learn step by step on how to set up traverse. In traverse learning, I also able to learn about the closed traverse and open traverse. Also, I able to calculate the missed closure for the task that was given and the adjustment for the traverse. Last but not least, I also can use the survey app that was provided by Sir Tiong perfectly to perform the computation, for example, traverse setting out by coordinates and shooting coordinates. Last, a big thanks to Sir Tiong who did not give up to make sure everyone in my class understand every single thing that related to civil engineering. That's all from me.